Are you ready to top up your 7SearchPPC wallet but don't know how? Don't worry. We will walk you through the process of adding funds in just a few simple steps. Start by logging into your 7SearchPPC account. Use your registered email and password to access the dashboard. Once logged in, locate and click the Add Fund button at the top of your dashboard. Enter the amount you wish to add and proceed by choosing a suitable payment method. Credit and debit cards. We support credit and debit card payments through multiple secure gateways, including Stripe, PayU, PhonePe, and AirPay. Select your preferred option and click the Proceed to Payment button. The next page will display a breakdown of the total payable amount. You can also use a promotional code here to receive additional benefits. Now check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click the Proceed to Payment button. On the next page, provide your card details to complete the transaction. UPI/wallet. 7SearchPPC accepts UPI and wallet payments via PayU, PhonePe, and AirPay. Select your preferred option and click the Proceed to Payment button. The following page will show the total payable breakdown and an option to redeem promotional coupons. Once ready, click the Proceed to Payment button. Finally, select UPI or wallet and provide the necessary details to complete your payment. Crypto. Our platform supports cryptocurrency payments through coin payments, crypto payments, or Bitcoin via QR. Simply choose your preferred crypto payment method and proceed similarly to card payments. For Bitcoin via QR, simply scan the QR code and complete your transaction. Direct bank transfer. You can also add funds by directly paying to our bank account. Just select Wire Transfer and click the Proceed to Payment button. On the next page, you will find our bank account details, which you can use to complete the transfer. That's how easy it is to add funds to your 7SearchPPC wallet. For more information, please contact us or leave your comments below.